This is where you really can mess up your ad or make your ad really good. So when it comes to your keywords, if I were to publish this ad right now, my ad would be showing up for every and any search when it comes to bugs, rodents, termites, that kind of stuff.
Today's quick video, we're going to be summing up a quick but very important factor when starting your first Google ad campaign, regardless if you own a pest control business, HVAC business, plumbing business, any service business that's running Google ads. You will benefit from this quick tip in terms of how to manage your keywords and set up your keywords, specifically the different types of matches, be it broad match, phase match, and exact match, how it can affect your ad budget, how it can affect your lead quality, click quality, all these things really quick in this short video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I wanted to post this. I actually posted this video months ago, but I've had a lot of new people recently, a lot of you guys subscribing recently, which I appreciate so much, all the support you all continue to give me in the channel and the community and all that stuff. And by the way, if you're not already in our Discord group chat, Facebook groups, those are free to join. Feel free to check out my link tree down below. But I hope you guys enjoy it. Hopefully you guys do learn something. And if you have any questions or need any clarification, feel free to let me know or reach out to me directly on my website, griffinbthomas.com, which is also in my link tree down below. But let's get right to it.
This is where you really can mess up your ad or make your ad really good. So when it comes to your keywords, if I were to publish this ad right now, my ad would be showing up for every and any search when it comes to bugs, rodents, termites, that kind of stuff, which you might think would be good. Yeah, I guess if you're, trying to just get website clicks for a blog post or something, but we are trying to get calls, get leads. So one thing you want to make sure you do is whenever you're typing in your keywords, pay attention to this key down here. See how it says broad match for a keyword? That means all of these are broad matches because there's no, oh my gosh, I feel like I failed English. What is this, a parenthesis? There's nothing, quotation marks, whatever you want to refer to it as, to mark it as a phrase match or a keyword exact match. If you want to get the best bang for buck in terms of it's going to cost more per click, but you're more likely to get leads out of those clicks, you want to stick with keyword exact match as much as possible. And occasionally you might want to throw a phase match in there. You don't really want to use broad match at all. When you start using broad match, say local pest control, for example, someone could type in, a local pest control company's name, and your ad's going to pop up under it. You do not want that. This key was not even down here when I ran my first ad. So it's great that it is now because it helps you know exactly, and they even have a learn more section that'll literally explain to you. I would not watch the video, but it'll explain to you what the differences are and which type you should have. But for now, we're just going to leave this as is because, like I said, we're just trying to kind of walk you through creating that first ad. But in short, like I said, let's just say, for example, we wanted to just strictly show up under the term, we'll type in pest control near me, but let's say we want to go with the exact match. So what you do is you put a bracket here, and then you type in pest control near me, and then you'd put in another bracket. And then there you go. And then let's say we wanted to show up for a specific town. Let's say, again, we'll go with Saxe. Pest control Saxe. Bracket. Boom. Simple as that. Pretty straightforward. And on top of that, let's just play around just for a little bit. We'll try to get this optimization up. Let's go ahead and just delete all that and then watch how this goes up. Or it might go down based on lower keywords. Didn't adjust at all. That's surprising. Yeah, see, like I said, you don't want to necessarily pay too much attention to the campaign optimization score, but notice that our weekly clicks dropped drastically and our average cost per click skyrocketed. What was it, like $3, $3 to $4? Now it's saying $21.80. So again, like I said, you're getting a better bang for buck because these, 17 out of 17 clicks, I would expect, let's see, $375 out of 17 clicks, I would expect 3 to 5 leads, or maybe 3 to 5 sales. So probably about 10 leads, give or take. So what, about $37 per lead? Not the end of the world. And again, that's just with 2 search terms. Let's play with this a little more. Let's say, okay, pest control Saxy. Let's type in best pest control company near me. And believe it or not, that sounds like a long search term. People search that, believe it or not. It gets a lot of volume. Let's see. Let's do exterminator near me. Bug exterminator. So our cost per click went down $1. We're up 1 click. Campaign score still hasn't changed. I bet you that's going to change once we get further down. But that's a good start. You know, when it comes to keywords, the keywords, they're important, but what's more important is your negative keyword list that you will update as the ad goes on.
So again, hopefully you guys did take some good, valuable information from today's quick little tip video on keywords and setting up your first Google ad. Like I said, if you have any questions for me or the community, feel free to drop it in the comments below. Or like I said, if you want to set up a one-on-one with me, you can check out griffinbthomas.com down in my link tree in the description box below. And like I said, feel free to join our Facebook group, Discord group. Those 2 groups have hundreds of people in them now, all looking to, you know, just achieve financial freedom through our businesses. You all that don't know who I am personally, I own a pest control company, Preferred Pest Management. We've been in business over 3 years now. On my channel specifically, I document just my overall entrepreneurial journey. I do pretty much everything within my business at the moment, from, you know, the hard work in terms of running my route. I do the marketing, I do the customer acquisition, you know, sales, closing, follow up, you know, the full 9 yards essentially. So if any of that interests you or you have any questions, you know, feel free to check out all my playlists. I try to organize the content well for you guys, almost in like a course format, so to speak. And I try to post on my website somewhat frequently, especially for those of you in the pest control industry. You know, a lot of that will relate to you guys, blogs and all that type of stuff as well whenever I have time to do so. And if you haven't already, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon beside it. That way you'll be notified every time we go live or upload another video for you guys. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one.